This is Alankrita Sahai.
Hi guys, this is Pooja Banerjee.
Hi, this is Himesh Reshmi and you're watching Bollywood Hungama.
You're watching me on Bollywood Hungama.
You're watching me on Bollywood Hungama.
See, for me, it was, I've done more than 600 and some songs after Aapka Surur. So, which have been huge hits. So, for me, Aapka Surur album ke baad, if I had to do something, it had to be just right. And an album, or I've never done a single or an album in between. So, for me, it was getting the right songs, which the composer Himesh Reshammiya should feel that okay, it is right for the singer Himesh Reshammiya, and the videos need to be right, and we all wanted to be on the same page, whether it was Bhushan ji, whether it was Manoj Muntasir, or all of us, or the people who sample our music. We played it to a lot of people, everyone liked it, and then we decided okay, these are going to be the 10 final songs for the album, which will have 15 different versions also. So it will have 25 songs in the album, and the top DJs of the world, Akbar Sami and Akil and Chetas and Kiran Kama, they've come on board to create the remix, lounge, tropical and house mix for each song, which are the 10 original tracks and 15 different versions. So, and the songs had been composed keeping the DJs in mind. This album is dedicated to the DJs, the RJs, or everyone in love, because the songs, when converted into a remix, you will never feel that it is a forced remix or a forced tropical mix, because like Aashiq Banaya was a slow song, but it had the right chords and the bandish to, if converted into a remix, it creates the right remix. So I, while composing, was wanting to do remixes, so that was also kept in mind. Otherwise any song cannot be like today, if you do a Dard Dilo Ke Kam Ho Jate, Main Aur Tum Ka Hum Ho Jate into a remix, it doesn't work, because wo uski beat hi aisi nahi hai.
Even remix of Tera Surur was super.
Yeah, तो because yeah, I mean आपका सुरूर में भी वो plan करके किया था, आशिक बनाया में किया था. Like for Hooka Bar you don't need a remix because it's originally a remix. तो कुछ गाने ऐसे होते हैं जिसको जब आप convert करो तो वो इतने beautiful remixes में बन सकते हैं. उसको composition के वक्त I had that in mind, and that was something which I was very, very happy with. And then all these DJs came on board and these beautiful girls, and everything just fell into place. And now the album has a fantastic response. We are launching the entire music album in the third week of November. He's my mentor. I mean, he's given me the break, and I'm here because of him. And we've had a 100% track record of all songs being super hits. So, and he has a great ear for music. So, in my life, I always say that I have my daddy who's taught me music, Salman Bhai and Salim Saab, who gave me the break, Bhushan ji, who I've done more than 100 films. So it's some divine connection. So all these people have played a big role in my life, and now this album, I'm very happy with the content. I'm very happy with I've got immense job satisfaction that okay, this album is right, every chord is right, everything in the video is right, and I'm very happy.
Has Salman heard the songs of the album?
Yes, of course, and he's really loved it. Yeah, he loved it. Very nice, yeah.
The day it released, and within 2-3 days we had already crossed like 2-3 million views. And you read the comments, as in I couldn't read entire comments, but whatever I had gone through, they all are praising the song, like it's amazing. And the way we've shot it, the way we thought it'll come out, it's come out even better than that. And I'm really glad and thankful. So yeah, I'm feeling very fortunate to be a part of this project and part of the song Aapse Mausiki, which is the title song. The best compliment I got, that I'm looking like Divya Bharti, who's actually been my idol always. So yeah, that's the best compliment I got.
Today it just released, so my fingers are crossed. And when you were shooting this, I was very excited and very happy, because the way it was being shot was very aesthetically and very beautifully. And you know, to be sad and to look pretty and to enact those emotions and to cry and to think about your beloved, you know, all the gamut of emotions that you go through is incredible in one song, because it's got a story. So I was very nervous because you know what happens is there's a lot of expectations. What you know comes along with associated with the name, like Mr. Himesh and T series. So आपके ऊपर जो pressure होता है, it's immense. And after their video crossed a lot of million views, my expectations are that it does better, or it does you know incredibly well for myself and for the album, because for me it's not just my song. I want the album to do well, because you know what happens when an album does well, every song with it does well. You know what, I used to get that I when I'm on screen I enact like Rekha or by Saira Bano. And they've always been my mom's favorite, and I've always watched their films. But today's generation, when you meet them, they're like, "Oh, you look like Nargis Fakhri," and I'm like, "Guys, come on." Yeah, you see everybody. Yeah. So for me, you know, I would take it as a compliment because they're beautiful women. But I want to make a mark of my own. The compliment I've got so far is that, you know what, not because of being on screen. In general, what I hear is that I'm not very conscious about the way I look. I just like to act. For me, it's about how I act. You know, I might be wearing no makeup and probably doing a role like Alia Bhatt in Urta Punjab, and I would be happy as long as I'm really acting and doing my job the way I want to do it. Because I want to be known as a woman who can act. Because सुंदर तो हम makeup and hair के बाद लगते ही हैं. पर जब आपके एक्टिंग को अप्रिशिएट किया जाता है ना, तो वो मेरे लिए एक कॉम्प्लीमेंट है, and it's a success in itself. So when he brought out you know those emotions, and he gave us workshops to understand that you know every beat doesn't have to be acted, it's just a smooth sail. So that kind of made a big difference. Yes, it did.